Welcome to Longevity Insights. If you're new here, subscribe, join our community, and feel free to ask questions or suggest topics you'd like to see us cover. Today, we're diving into an exciting area of research, how stem cells could unlock the future of hair growth. Imagine being able to achieve fuller, healthier hair without invasive surgery. We're only scratching the surface on this today, so expect more episodes as we dig into how stem cells might offer natural hair restoration and rejuvenation solutions.
Thanks, Adam. So let's get into it. We've all heard about stem cells, but what makes them so unique regarding hair growth? Could they hold the key to reversing hair loss or even promoting new hair growth without the need for surgery? Today we will look at the science behind stem cells, what they do for our hair, and what we can realistically expect. Understanding hair loss and stem cells. Hair loss, particularly androgenetic alopecia, pattern baldness, occurs due to genetics, hormonal changes, and aging, which cause hair follicles to shrink and become dormant. Stem cells offer a promising solution by targeting the regeneration of these damaged or inactive follicles, helping to restore hair growth. Types of stem cells and hair regeneration. Several types of stem cells are being explored for their ability to promote hair growth. Epidermal stem cells. Located in the skin, these cells can regenerate hair follicles when adequately activated. Researchers are studying ways to harness these cells to regrow hair in bald areas. Dermal papilla cells, DPCs. These cells are crucial in forming hair follicles. Scientists are working on culturing DPCs in the lab and reintroducing them into the scalp to stimulate new follicle development. Induced pluripotent stem cells, iPSCs. These adult cells have been reprogrammed to function like embryonic stem cells. iPSCs can differentiate into hair follicle cells, making them versatile for hair regrowth treatments. Stem cell therapy approaches. Several innovative approaches are being used to apply stem cell therapy for hair restoration. Stem cell injections. In this method, stem cells or growth factors are injected into the scalp to regenerate dormant hair follicles. Early trials have shown positive results, with some patients experiencing noticeable hair regrowth. Lab-grown hair follicles. Researchers have successfully cultivated hair follicles from stem cells in the lab, which can be transplanted into the scalp to promote new hair growth. Enhancing the scalp microenvironment. By improving the environment around hair follicles with stem cells or growth factors, researchers aim to reactivate dormant follicles and encourage natural hair growth. Challenges and progress. Despite its potential, stem cell therapy for hair loss faces several challenges. Scalability. Producing large quantities of lab-grown hair follicles for transplantation is a major hurdle in making this therapy widely available. Immune response. Research is critical to avoiding immune rejection of stem cell transplants, as the body may reject foreign cells if they are not properly matched. Cost and accessibility. Stem cell therapies are still experimental and expensive. It will take time for these treatments to become affordable and widely accessible. Current clinical trials and future outlook. Research into stem cell therapy for hair loss is advancing, with clinical trials showing promising results. Some companies have already succeeded in growing hair in animal models, and early human trials yield positive outcomes. However, more trials are needed before these therapies can be widely offered to the public.
So, stem cell research offers a groundbreaking approach to treating baldness by targeting the root cause, damaged or dormant hair follicles. Unlike traditional hair transplants such as those performed in Turkey, stem cell therapy is far less intrusive, avoiding the need for surgery and lengthy recovery times. This makes it a potentially more appealing option for those seeking to regrow hair without the invasiveness of surgical procedures. As research progresses, stem cell therapy may become a widely available long-term solution for hair regrowth, giving hope to millions suffering from hair loss. Stay tuned for more exciting updates on the future of longevity and health at Longevity Insights. The information in this video is a compilation of various sources and has been condensed for ease of understanding. It is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen or treatment.